Hello students, this is Ms. Priya Rathore and today I am with math subject. So students, please take out your book number 3, and book number 3 you have to take out the page number. As you can see here, page number 6666. Okay, and please mention today's date over here, that is 21/10/20. And please mention classwork also. Students, we have to do recap over here. As you know, we had completed our counting numbers 1 to 20 in written work. Okay, so same we have to write here twice, 1 to 20 and 1 to 20 here also. So let's start with writing. And students, please take care, your line should be touch on the bottom line. Every number should be touch on the bottom line. Fine, so let's start. As you can see, 1 is already written over here. So after 1, do you know which number will come? 1, then you have to write number 2. Now count 1, 2, 3, then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 1, 0, 10 is already written over here. Now what comes after 10? 1, 1, 11 is written over here. So what comes after 1, 1, 11? 1, 2, 12, 1, 3, 13, 1, 4, 14. Students, as you can see, my 1 is looking a little bit slant, so I'm going to rub it and write it again. Your each number should be in proper formation, okay? And you have to write your numbers in very good handwriting. 1, 5, 15, 1, 6, 16, 1, 7, 17, 1, 8, 18, 1, 9, 19, and 2, 0, 20 is already written over here. So let's start 1 to 20 again from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 10. Now here we will write 1, 1, 11, 1, 2, 12, 1, 3, 13, 1, 4, 14, 1, 5, 15, 1, 6, 16, 1, 7, 17, 1, 8, 18, 1, 9, 19, and 2, 0, 20 is already written over here. So students, in this way you have to complete page number 6666 in a very good handwriting. Okay, now after this you have to take out the page number 6868 and page number 6969. Students, as I have discussed about big and small in the live session, okay, now we are going to do the exercises of big and small. Okay, so for the same you have to mention today's date over here, that is 21/10/20. Please mention classwork also and mention the same date on page number 6969, and please mention classwork. Now students, what you have to do here, we have to do practice of big and small. Color the big balloons blue, means those are big balloons, we have to color them blue, and the small ones we have to do in green color. Okay, so for that you required your color box. Okay, and you have to pick out your blue and green color. So is this blue color for big balloons and green color for small balloons. So let's do it. So students, now tell me, is this big balloon or small balloon? It is big one. So let's color it blue one. Please make sure your coloring should be Neat and clean, it should not be go outside. Fine. For that you have to make outline for each and every balloon so that your color should not be go outside. Fine. See, my outline is done. Now I'm going to fill this color in blue color. Fill this balloon in blue color. So which balloon is this? Big balloon. Okay. And big balloon we have to color blue in color. Fine. See, in this way. Now tell me, is this big or small? It is small. So we will use green color. For this also we will make outline first. After outline we have to fill this balloon with green color. Now tell me, is it big or small? It is small. So we will do in green color. Make sure your outline should be neat and clean. Your outline should not be go outside from the balloons. Okay, otherwise your color maybe go outside. Okay, and your coloring should be neat and clean. If you want stars from ma'am. Now tell me, which balloon is this? Big or small? It is small. So we will do green color in this also. Like this. Firstly make outline. Then we will fill the color inside the balloon. In this way. Fine. Now tell me, which balloon is this? Big or small? It is big balloon. So for big balloon we will use blue color. Okay. Now please outline in a very good manner as I am doing. Slowly. Fine. See, outline is done. Now just fill this balloon with blue color. See, if you will do your outline, so there is very less chances that so that your color go outside. This is very less chances for your coloring go out. Now see, we had done this page. Okay. Now come to the page number 6969. What we have to do here? Just read it. Look at the pictures. Tick the objects that are big and circle the ones that are small. Means we have to take that picture that is big and we have to make a circle that were small ones. Okay. So tell me, this is this balloon is big or small? It is big. So for big ones we will put tick. Okay. Now this watermelon is big or small? It is small. Okay. So for small we have to make a circle. Now tell me, is this big or small? It is big. Yes. So we will put tick. Now, is this big or small? It is small. So we will circle it. Now, is this apple big or small? It is big. So we will put tick. Now, is this big or small? Big ones is here. So this one is small one. So for small one, we will circle it. Okay. Okay students, in this way you have to complete both the pages, page number 68 and 69, and submit your work in PDF form. Make sure your work should be in PDF form, and you have to submit your work on Google Classroom by 5 PM only. Fine. Now in my next session, I'll show you the workbook work also. Okay.